This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 61 of building the Eleanor. In this issue, we've got this back panel to fit, and that's about it. We need 3 screws to do that, so let me get the screws out already. 1, 2, and 3. That's not one of those screws, that's one from the other ones from last time. Let's get the third one of these out, because you've got to use the right screws for the job. There we go, that's 3 of the correct screws. And these are being fitted to a chassis that were the frame inner detail that we've been doing already. It's going on the back there like so. So there's 3 screws obviously across the bottom there that go in from the bottom. These 2 bits on the side are just plugs. So they need to just plug into those. Get that lined up properly. Now, just go in there. Let me just double check the instructions to make sure I'm doing that correctly, because that doesn't feel as easy as it should. Just shows it going on there. It doesn't say anything special about how that goes in, so I think it's just a case of brute force and ignorance, which both of them I have. Let's try that again. Let's get that lined up on there. That's there, and that's there. That should just plug in. Really isn't liking it. Obviously got to do the same on the other side as well. Bottom one feels like that's going in okay, but the top one is not as happy. Right, let me come back and see how that goes together off camera when I can swear at it a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it really is just a case of forcing it. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but these are actually a split plastic, so it's like a 2-fork thing that squeezes together when you get it through the hole and then sort of pops out to hold it really quite securely. But it just, yeah, a little bit more force than I was really happy with, but it's okay, it does the job. And that helps to bring in the sides and really show the tapering of the back there that I wasn't expecting. So apart from that, we've got the 3 screws that hold it together onto the main back piece. So they should all just line up nicely. Certainly does. So that is that. Now I'm not entirely certain where the seat is. Is this the back of the seat, or is this the behind the back of the seat, as it were? I would assume that the seats aren't higher than the front seats. I mean, they're going to be a little bit higher anyway, but they're not going to be much higher, are they? Let me show you what I mean. I mean, that's not going to be the seat, is it? That's going to have to be the seat. That's not where your feet go. Your feet are going to go down here, aren't they? back of the seat's going to have to be here, so that's going to be sort of, I don't know, storage or boot area. I don't know. We'll find out probably next time. I think we're getting a part of the seat next time, but we're not actually putting it onto the car, although I just might, because sometimes I have to. But for now, that is that. I'm happy with that. I'm still slightly confused about that bit, the mirrory thing from the first part, but I'm sure it's fine. And it's going to be inside and behind all the seats anyway, so, you know. But for now, that's that. Another issue completed. Not forgetting we've got our seatbelts sort of started on in these as well. So, yeah, that's it for this issue. Join me next time when we'll be having a look through the magazine that comes this time as well. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.